All right, it's August 1st, 2024, 10:18 a.m. Eastern. I was actually looking for a short and it pushed down to this 525 level. I missed my entry here, and some of you might notice that I'm on NQ. My brother brought up NQ, and I'm a twin, for those of you who don't know. There might be one person that watches these that know. His name is Greg with 1G, but I'm the real Greg. Well, the real Greg. Please stand up. Please stand up. All right. So we're bearish. I was watching the NQ here bounce off VWAP and the 200. I was expecting if we closed the bar above VWAP, a push to the upside, but we pushed way back down. And so I feel like we're just going to see this continuation to the downside. Looks like my thesis was right, so that makes me feel good. I saw a streamer, I forget which one said it, but trading ES and NQ, we're trading minis. Or for those of us who are trading minis, they call them minis because they're mini heart attacks. I think you can relate to that, especially on NQ because it moves so fast. But some of you might notice that I'm positive for the day. I was trading NQ because of my brother, and was testing it out in pre-market or after hours and pre-market yesterday evening and this morning. NQ moves a lot slower, obviously, because there's less volume. And so if you try NQ out, I really like the movement in those hours. It's a lot better than watching ES, which hardly has any movement. And the only thing you have to be careful about is your fills. And so I was only placing limit orders above or below the price if I wanted to go short or long, and being patient for those to get filled, because the spread can be sometimes what I notice up to like 6 ticks. And so if you're placing a market order, you're instantly in the red. And so you keep that in mind if you try trading NQ in those hours. I was trading 3 contracts because it moves a lot slower. I switched over to 2 since we're in the New York session, and price is just so fast. It's a lot different than trading ES, that's for sure. Man, so I was definitely right in my trade thesis idea. See if we can hold these levels. If not, I think we're going to push down to the 200 EMA on the 15 here. Yeah, probably about these levels here, 19,440s. We'll have to see if we bounce off the 500 level. I'd actually be interested in a quick scalp. Let's see what happens here. So it would have been a nice 15, 20 point scalp. I just didn't want to go in long because we have such a strong downtrend for the day right now. Yeah, I'd definitely be interested in a scalp around these levels here. I really don't want to go longs though, because we are just looking like one of those hardcore trendy days. Jesus, like 150 points off from the 600 level. Well, not quite, but you get the idea. We'll have to see if these 19,440 levels hold. We've got some drive zones at 495. See if we push back up to the upside through those. If not, I think we might see some continued movement to the downside. Be interested to see if we bounce off this 500 level. Okay, so we just closed above the 500. See if we get a retest. If not, maybe this is the reversal. But lately, on these trendy days, we keep pushing down. I'd actually be interested in a short here.
Order filled.
I can't get it to where I want it. We'll go break even.
Order filled.
This moves so fast. That was just one contract. What'd I make, like $300 there? I think my heart rate is definitely up. Yeah. NQ, man. NQ. I got to get used to this. All right, so a retest of these 500 levels. Actually, looks like we might start pushing up here. There's divergence on the footprint. Oh man, I wanted to get closer to the 500 level. Shoot. I can't get my drags. There we go. This is looking bullish on the 1. Watching the footprint here. Looks like we're getting selling pressure. I don't want to join. So the 505-ish level was initial balanced low. Or no, actually, we're still in the first hour or 2 minutes. So we're creating new lows here. How come this one isn't showing on the chart? So when you copy a drawing tool on one chart, it doesn't show, but if I draw a new one, it shows. Interesting. Is it 10:30 yet? 250 points in the first hour. Sure. I gotta get used to this. I mean, look at this. That's what, 30-point move? What is that? I'm like trying to do the math on NQ because I'm not used to it. So that's $600 on a one contract. I can maths. Fun fact, I scored a 920 on the SAT back in my day out of 1600. Took it a second time, scored an 860. Took it a third time, scored 800. Wait, what was it out of? Yes, it was out of 1600. So let's see if we push through IBL here. Again, I think we're pushing down a VWAP. This would have been a good short on this trendy day right here. We rejected this area. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like thinking longs for some reason, but shorts. Yes, I am wearing shorts and I want shorts. See how we react to this 400 level if we push down to it. I like fatter bars. If we push up to this right here, I feel like that'd be a good short. Can I place a short and a buy at the same time? No. Ooh. A lot of buying right now. Delta looks like it's cooling off. Let me check this before I get in. Oh, shit, what'd I just do? Did I just miss getting filled by like, okay. Well, that would have been a good short. Damn, that's 30 points already? Can't get TradingView to look how I want it to look. Well, hopefully we don't blow past through these 400 levels. This would be a good short around these levels.
Order filled.
What did I just do? Did I click sell market? Kind of want to get out of this trade, so I don't mind a small loss.
Order filled.
I just missed it by like one tick, I think. That's crazy. I should have done a limit order here. I think I gotta look at the video. Again, I think I mentioned the other day, I gotta get used to just placing limit orders on the chart because I've noticed some discrepancies when even doing or using join bid or join ask in TopStepX. So I still feel like this would be a good short. I mean, we're just on the downtrend here. To the 15 crossed over the 200.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think I had my take profit around this level. Let's see if we eventually come up. Then I'll have to have a wider stop here. A minute till the 15 closes. If we close under the 200, I mean, I think we just have more downside. So there's 10 points. I mean, at this point, I want to go short again. Just a matter of waiting for a pullback.
Order filled.
What did I just do? Did I click the DOM? I think I accidentally clicked the DOM. Jesus. Oh my God.
Order filled.
And it put me in 3 contracts? Jesus Christ. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Bro. I think it just swiped over here and accidentally clicked. Wow. That angers me. I actually feel legitimate anger right now. It's like you work so hard to build up profits and then something like that just, oh my God. All right, OBS crashed. I gotta back up. I'm in a short position. Well, I should have taken profits. Let's open my stop loss. Oh,
Order filled.
I meant to take profit there. All right, well, I made up for my other loss. Whoops.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in a long position here. It looks like it might rebound on the footprint. May have gotten in a little too prematurely. Going break even. I don't want to lose on this trade.
Order filled.
All right, it's about 11:35 a.m. Eastern. I was waiting for a pullback here, and I had a limit sell here at the body of this candle, or one of them, and we just pushed back down. So now I'm a little hesitant to get in here because we're at these levels. I think we're breaking through to the downside. This level right here. Cumulative delta's looking super bearish. We're hitting the Tokyo London session consolidation area from yesterday in pre-market. It's crazy. We've lost over, 400 points? I'm afraid we're going to pull back up to these 19,300 levels. I mean, that's 70 points now. If we can get a pullback up, it's so hard to trade this. I updated the take profit level because I need to barely get over this amount here. We've got a drive zone on the footprint chart, a lot of sellers. We could push down to these 19,180-ish levels. And then from there, 19,150, 19,100. Just crazy. If you just go in one contract on days like this and you hold, oh my God. It's just crazy. I didn't even realize we were at the 19,200 levels there already. Like we are just falling off a cliff. Got a drive zone around the 19,210 levels. 40-point drop. It's crazy. I don't even know what the play is right now. Aside from waiting for a pullback and then going short. So I guess if we reach these 200 levels, you go short. I have a feeling it'll push back through. ES is pretty predictable when I trade it. It'll hit these key psych levels and then bounce off of them. But what I've noticed with NQ is it doesn't bounce off of it directly. There's always some wiggle room. And there we go. 20 points. Almost 30. This is insane. Wow, we are red across the board. Made us like one of the only green stocks right now. So there's a part of me that's like, okay, is this the pullback where you get in? Or do you wait around these 190 levels? Can't make up my mind. It's like I keep changing and then you get the pullbacks you're looking for. So this is so tough. MACD's getting a little stronger to the downside here. I think we're going to make the next push down, and I just missed it. So we've got a drive zone all the way up here. 185. We'll do these wicks right here. I'm just afraid it's going to push back up to the 19,200s. Seen a lot of strength. Let's go to get through these 89 levels. I was just about to drag it down. I've seen some selling. Let's see if patience pays off here. So I mentioned before, we usually come through wiggle room. I was right again, so I'm going to note that for the future. We've got a lot of drive zones, green ones underneath me here. I'm going to get stopped out. A lot of buyers stepping in. Oh, maybe I got lucky. Let this trade play out. Spirit fingers.
Order filled.
Oh my God, I got it exactly 1,600. That's what you need to pass the combine. So, whew. Oh my gosh, NQ, heart attack. All right, I'm going to call it a day. Peace.